Our Thanksgiving dinner, we have ham, turkey, ribs, shrimp. Ah, sorry. Ano, nahulog yung cellphone mo. Nahulog yung cellphone mo. Oh. And our Tito Carlos.
Hello.
In his humble home. Tinur na niya kami, pinakain niya pa kami. You were the one who cooked it, right?
Oh.
Thank you for cooking.
No worries.
Thank you, Tito Gemma.
Oh, you're welcome. Hi.
Ano ito, ma?
One more.
Our things.
Thank you.
Here.
Morning. Grabe, sobra.
Black ka mo, oh.
Yes.
I think kaya ginamit na namin.
Man. Our breakfast. Oh my God, kanyaman. Hey! It's the morning after Thanksgiving. Alisin ko na to baka nagre-reflect yung ilaw. It's the morning after Thanksgiving. Dito kami sa bahay nila. Tito Kaloy. Tito Gemma. Hello! Hello, Boom Boom! Hello, Mommy. Oh, you're walking. You're walking. That's Tali Boom Boom and Mommy. No? Hello! Dito, Tali Boom Boom. Ganda naman ng Boom Boom na yan. Good morning. How are you, Tali Boom Boom? Ay, good morning. Busy. Anyway, breakfast na kami. And then, hahatid na uwi na kami ng hotel. Tapos, susunduin na si Tali Boom Boom, nila Mami Tanch. And that sums up our San Francisco trip. Paalis na kami dito tonight. And then, pagbalik ko ng Manila, paglanding ko mismo, 9th month na ni Amara. Kaya dire-diretso yung event natin. And then, the following day, the next day after that, is lipad na namin papunta ng Vancouver, Canada. So yun ang crew life. Ang dami naming event this past few weeks. So from New York to Cebu, Bohol with Amara. And then diretso ako ng San Francisco for Tali sa Thanksgiving. And pag-landing ko ng Manila, celebration ni Amara ng 9th month. And finally after that, the following day, pa Vancouver, Canada. Yun. Si Mama uuwi na rin from here. Diretso na siya ng Saudi. Nakabanding na niya si Tali ng mga 9 days or 8 days. Yan. And that's it for now. And we hope to see you again on one of our future vlogs. Thank you, San Francisco, for this Thanksgiving special. Thank you, Tito Carlos or Tito Kaloy. And Tito Gemma and family. And see you again. Thank you, everyone. We love you. Say bye-bye. Tali Boom Boom. Bye! Oh, you tap this, you tap this. Wow! Boom!
Kasi mainit yung food.
Yun nga man. Ito si Tali.
Ano naman natatamo?
Didn't get up.
So basically, you have been buying Beyblades today. When you go to San Francisco, you're on the upper deck. When you go home, you're on the lower deck. So last week,
Hello. Daddy will see you soon. Okay? Daddy will see you soon.
Yung malosi naman. Ikis na
Ano siguro?
Ay, ito yung kakyano nga. O, appear kayong dalawa. Appear. Uy naman. Uy, siya malosip naman. Ay naman man. Who's that? That's Tali. Huh? That's Tali. Yeah, say hi. Hi, Tali. Appear muna kayo, appear. Uy, uy. Ikis na yung sarili na.
Did you ride out of the sea? Good singing. On your left, 1, 2. Two little fishies swimming in the sea. Teasing Mr. Shark, you can't catch me.
Love,
Love.
Love, love.
Lam lam. Lam lam.
Lam, lam.
Oh.
Ah.
Lam 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 lam. I love you. Bye bye. Bye bye, Tali. Hoy, sa akin hindi ka naman umiyak. Sister. Sa akin hindi ka naman umiyak. Oh.